Good morning. Beautiful day here in Hagerstown, Maryland. I just bopped down the road to Antique Crossroads to pick up a couple bracelets I regretted leaving behind. And now I decided to stop by in some memory lane. Let's go in and see what they got. This is kind of a fun piece with the parakeets. The quality isn't kind of what I would want though. Let's see. Got my eye on the look for more stretchy bracelets. Been trying to be more aware to pick the fun ones up too for the people who don't bangle. I've been trying not to pick up clowns because the last couple times I have, they've kind of sat, but look at these. These are Italian. Oh my gosh, how fun. And they're 50% off. Well, I kind of love the girl clown. Let's see, let's check the condition. $12.50. She's got some crazing, but she's signed. That's really funny. I think I'm gonna go ahead and risk that one. You know, I love my Italian stuff. The boy one is kind of spooky. Unpopular opinion, maybe. And then over here, they have some glass animals. A little Fenton bear. I'm not a big fan of the clear ones. I just had one recently, too. What is that perfume bottle in there? Oh, goodness gracious. Almost ran right into the wall. Let's see if my camera can read the price. $35 and 10% off. Is it signed? I don't think it is. Iridescent art glass perfume. I don't see a signature. Oh, dang it. That's really pretty. I love the Bakelite Army plain pencil sharpener. That's so cool. $45 even with the 30% off, though. I don't think I could swing that for resale. Got some glass birds here. Fenton. $21.50. That one glows. This one might glow. Milk glass. And the prices are a little close for me. Coin dot. This booth always has such random stuff. I love it. The motorcycle back there is kind of fun. Really wild variety of stuff. What's this? Blue rabbit Viking? Blue Viking rabbit. I might have to look that up. Wait a minute. Look at this. Fenton bunnies. Fenton duck. Fenton bird. Right? I believe, yeah, that should be Fenton. Whoa. These are cute too, the little chick salt and pepper shakers. Definitely gonna look up the Viking though. Oh my gosh, wait. I only have a few cats left for my cat sale. How much is this one? As is, $8.50. Oh, I feel like I must have looked at that before. What's as is about it? It's got a little nick on the bottom of the ear. But let me look up that rabbit. Wow, that's a really good price. I thought so, and I was not wrong. Looks like the average price is around 60 something sold, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I think I am actually gonna go ahead and pick, wait, the cardinal. How did I miss? This is Westmoreland. That probably glows like crazy. I kind of like the duck. And it's got the original sticker on it. It's an older one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this and actually put the clown bank back. I kind of made a promise to myself that I wasn't gonna pick up any clowns for a while, and I don't know, the way that crazing is, it's kind of making me nervous. 50% off. I recognize you. I've been wanting to take you home for a while. How much are you now? Let's see. 15. So $7.50 UNK. Just making sure. Yep, there we go. I'll take that. Let's see what else they got. The alligator salt and pepper shakers are kind of fun. Wow, I just realized how I was talking to myself and didn't have my camera on. I was taking a second look at all the Fenton critters, and I saw the swan, but not a big fan. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to put these down. I saw these dog salt and pepper shakers. This is a pretty great set. It's only $7.50, so I'm going to take these two. You missed my moment of excitement when I found these hiding, and I was making sure their wings are intact. They are also $7.50. They're Commodore Japan. That's an awesome deal, even though they have a little discoloration for under $10. Can't go wrong there. Now, what else was I doing? Little bird. I think that's it. Make sure I'm not missing anything on the bottom shelf down there. These stone grapes are kind of neat. I like the color on them. They're also really fun size. $12.50 each. That's not bad. This is kind of an interesting vase now, isn't it? 24. And this is probably contemporary, but he's still phenomenal. Let's check him out. 45. Can't do anything with that. Now I'm going backwards down this aisle because I double booked on that one. I'm like a creature of habit. Once I've done something a certain way, it's hard not to. Look at this squeak toy. He is not well. He still squeaks though. He's $12 and 75% off. I feel like that's a good deal. I'll take that. What are these with the dice? Luck be a lady. Those are fun. Little salt and pepper shakers. Ellie Smith vase. Interesting. Almost looks ceramic. That's really different. This booth wasn't here the last time I was here either. Oh! Is this Italian? Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Japan. Oh, it's so fantastic though. Oh, I really want to pay up for it. It's 20 bucks. Oh, it's so cute. I love that shade of green on it. You know what? This is worth more than $20, so I don't know why I'm being weird. I just don't like to pay that much for stuff that I can't like double my money on, but I think at $20 it's safe enough, especially with my cat sale being around the corner and only needing like 50 more cats. I'm gonna take it. It's too good not to. Speaking of cats, look at you. Oh my gosh. $25. So $20. I don't know if I can swing that. It's pretty great. It's in really good condition. I think that might be a little bit close though. That's a hard one to leave behind. Well, I was looking at the cat plate and then I saw this frog stapler. How fun is that? I love frog staplers. And then down here, see a chalkware fish. It's got some wear on it, but it's like 12 bucks. What about this one? Oh, this is awesome. So it would be 16. I don't know. Oh my God. Dude, stop it right now. Pig bank as is. Okay, well, this is like super busted. It's got a huge crack and it's missing a part. But it's so fantastic. For $8. Oh, I kind of want to save it. This would be worth a whole bunch of money if it was in good condition. And I think we can all agree that that is most definitely, in fact, a cat. Well, that's gorgeous. Fenton piece. 25 and 10%. That's not bad. It's got a little bit of wear on it. I'm not a big fan of the texture. Let's keep going. This is kind of a neat piece, isn't it? This handkerchief face. Wait, $2. It's contemporary, but that's kind of wild for $2. Well, for $8, it might not be the best buy considering the condition, but I kind of feel like you could repurpose this and make this something really cool. I'm not crazy about the fact that it is cracked, though. It's just so hard to leave this here as a kitchen enthusiast. I don't know what to do. The crack is what's really bothering me about it, honestly. Well, I did put that cat back because I could see that the crack was coming all the way through, but then I saw this custard glass. Sugar and cream are 30% off. That's kind of awesome. You know, I think I am going to go ahead and get these. It comes to $17.50 for the both. And although the sugar doesn't have its top, it's in really good condition. I like the pop of pink. And it would make a fun planter. This lights up like a Christmas tree, by the way. Well, that cat damn near broke my heart. But at least I got the creamer. I found some really great stuff in there. I spent $103. And now I am off. I will see you guys later.